Hi students, welcome back to IT class. Today we are going to start our second chapter, that is Elements of Communication Cycle. In this chapter we will learn the importance of communication skills and the different elements of a communication cycle. Today's class we are going to cover the importance of communication skill. As we know, being able to communicate effectively is one of the most important life skills to learn. Having strong communication skill aids in all aspects of life, from professional life to personal life and everything that falls in between. From a business standpoint, all transactions result from communication. Good communication skills are essential to allow others and yourself to understand information more accurately and quickly. In contrast, poor communication skills lead to frequent misunderstanding and frustration. Let us see what are the importance of communication skill point by point. The first one is key to better future. Good communication skills are essential to get and acquire a job, as we know. A good command over language and having powerful communication skills help in making an individual successful. In school also, we know the students who have good communication skill, they get much opportunities to express their talents. Second one, source of information. A communication process involves two persons or a group of people where ideas are exchanged or shared, thus providing more knowledge. Even the feedback by the receivers give information to the communicator where one can work on the scope of improvement. So, the communication skill provides us much information on the basis of which we can improve our talents, we can improve our performance. Third one, builds attitude. A person can be an effective communicator only if he or she is well informed. A well informed person will be better able to build on his or her attitude and knowledge. As we know, a person who is having better communication skill should have good knowledge also. He should be well or she should be well informed. A person who doesn't have any information about what is going on around, what is happening around, he may not be able to communicate thoroughly. He may not be able to communicate effectively. So, for building attitude, a person's communication skill is very necessary. Tool to socialize. No relationship, whether personal or professional, can survive in isolation. As we know, the word isolation is very familiar to us these days. And social distancing is also very familiar to us nowadays. Even though we are social animals, because of this COVID, we people are sitting isolated, and we know it is not as easier. It is not as easy as coming together or working together. There are many drawbacks for even the online classes you are attending now when compared to the combined classes in schools, isn't it? Don't you feel so? You feel which one you feel more effective, a class in the school or an online class? Obviously a class in the school, right? So why it is so? Why? Because we all are social animals. We can't exist without socializing. And for better socializing, this communication skill helps us much. Next one, increases cooperation and peace. A communication is a two-way process that promotes mutual understanding and helps in developing better and peaceful relationship. And effective communication is only possible where both the communicator and receiver are given equal importance. This cooperation and peace among both becomes a mandatory requirement. As we know, even the problems between big nations come to an end after a dialogue, isn't it? After they sit together and after they talk each other. So effective communication has has much importance in bringing social peace and cooperation. Even if there is problem between friends or problem between couples, problem between any other institutions and all, we used to sit and talk each other. The final solution comes after discussing the things, right? So effective communication is necessary for increasing cooperation and peacefulness. In between, we left one point, that is effective management. Communication facilitates in understanding the grievances of employees and in conveying the policies of an organization. It plays an important role in raising the morale of the employees, and it is the only process through which people submit their feedback for or requirements. In an organization, effective communication between the management and the employees are very essential. Why? Because through that only the employees can convey their grievances to the management, and the management can convey their policies towards the employees to them. So effective communication between them makes or increase the morale of the employees, which may result in the improvement of their performance. So for effective management, effective communication is very necessary. The last but not the least point is decision making. Communication provides information. We discussed it in the previous points, that communication provides information. One cannot reach a conclusion or take any decision in the absence of information. Therefore, communication is better. That helps us take the right decision. So the communication, through communication we get information, and if our communication is effective, we will get good information, and those good informations will be helpful for us to take the decision, take a correct decision. So it is very important in decision making also. So we are going to wind up our class here. Today we are going to wind up our class here. Today we discussed the importance of communication skill, and tomorrow we will go through the communication cycle and its elements. Thank you. Have a good day.